Let's hope I don't die this alert.
Oh boy, it's an SPR!
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Redwood County, Ashland County, southern Wyandotte County in northwestern Ohio, southern Crawford County, Wayne County in northeastern Ohio until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 6 miles northwest of Chippewa Lake to Plymouth near Upper Sandusky, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Ontario, Lexington, the Red Line, Doylestown, Loudonville, Creston, Belleville, Plymouth, Dalton, Trees, and West Salem. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Wind damage with these storms will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Crawford, Richland, Wayne, and Wyandotte. The urgent weather message.
Okay, future me is gonna hate my reaction to that alert, but whatever.
The urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Huron County, western Medina County in northeastern Ohio, northern Ashland County, southern Lorain County until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:28 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near New London, or 10 miles southeast of Norwalk, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Norwalk, Willard, Wellington, Lodi, New London, Plymouth, Milan, Wakeman, Sullivan, LaGrange, Penfield, Pittsfield, Greenwich, Spencer, North Fairfield, Burbank, Rochester, and Nova. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northwestern Ohio. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Huron, Lorain, and Medina. The urgent weather message.
What happened? What are you crying for?
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Stark County in northeastern Ohio, Holmes County in northeastern Ohio until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:48 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Green to near Worcester to near Mansfield, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Canton, Millersburg, Massillon, Greene, Alliance, North Canton, Louisville, Berlin, Walnut Creek, Minerva, Hartville, Loudonville, Brewster, Navarre, Waynesburg, East Sparta, Kilbuck, Holmesville, Wilmot, and Glenmont. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Wind damage with these storms will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Holmes and Stark. The forecast. Central Highland.
What could he possibly want now? Oh.
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Marion County. Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Marion County, southeastern Wyandot County, Morrow County, southern Crawford County until 6:30 p.m. At 5:38 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Bucyrus to near Marcells, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard 60 miles an hour wind gusts and any size hail. Source radar indicated. Impact expected damage to the power lines. Locations include Marion, Bucyrus, Mount Gilead, Gallia, Crestline, Cardington, Ashley, Prospect, Morrow, Waldo, Chesterville, Marcells, Caledonia, Bloomington, Greencamp, Marengo, and Fulton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Crawford, Marion, Morrow, and Wyandot. This is the weather report. Chance of rain 50%. The National Weather Service forecast office. Urgent weather. The waters of Lake Erie over the Ohio. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable.
Couldn't find my fucking phone.
Including large hail and damage. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 605, effective until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Crawford, Holmes, Knox, Marion, Morrow, Richland, Wayne, and Wyandot, and the islands to Vermilion. Remember, a severe thunderstorm means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and now looking at the weather patterns close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 605 has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Crawford, Holmes, Knox, Marion, Morrow, Richland, Wayne, and Wyandot, and the islands to Vermilion.
Well, then just get there.
The current time